Member of Parliament for South East St. Anne, Lisa Hanna, is in one of her first public comments in the general election, says it is time for the PNP to unite. She says the internal conflicts in the party over the last few years are among the reasons why Jamaicans rejected the party on September 3. Ms. Hanna says as a senior member of the PNP, she is ready to help end the division.
For the past 4 years, all Jamaicans, and especially our young people, have associated the PNP with its internal conflicts. This has distracted us from our true purpose, which is to serve the people. In 2020, we have received the resounding messages to be and to become better. It is therefore time for us to look forward, bring back the love, tear down the walls of division, and instead build bridges of human connection and understanding.
Ms. Hanna narrowly retained the South East St. Anne seat and is one of only 15 MPs who will be on the opposition side of the House of Representatives.
Meanwhile, the PNP Youth Organization, PNP-YO, has stepped up the pressure on the PNP President, Dr. Peter Phillips, to step aside for the election of a new leader. The call was made in a letter addressed to the PNP President today. In it, the PNP-YO called for Dr. Phillips to make clear his resignation date, which it said must be within the next 30 days and before local government elections are due. It said this is critical if the councillor candidates are not to suffer the same fate as the MP candidates, and also to convince electors that the PNP is changing gear. The PNP-YO also said the slate of senators to sit in the upper house should be collectively decided by the executive committee of the party. It gave its own list of 7 senators, which it said it strongly recommends. The list includes PNP-YO President Crystal Tomlinson, Michael Hemmings, Zuleika's Jess, Omar Newell, Raymond Price, Patricia Duncan Sutherland, and Wavell Hines. Now, these individuals were not part of the last Senate, and most lost their bid in the recent election to enter the lower house.